You think billionaires are just lucky, born into money, right place, right time? That's exactly what they want you to believe. But here's the truth they never post about. Behind the scenes, they follow a set of unspoken rules, mental frameworks, that ordinary people are never taught. These are the mindset secrets no one's telling you. Today, we're breaking the silence. Most people avoid problems. Billionaires chase them. Where the average person sees inconvenience, the billionaire sees opportunity. Amazon didn't become a trillion-dollar empire by avoiding logistical chaos. They solved it. The mindset? The bigger the problem, the bigger the payoff. They train their brains to run toward the fire. You trade time for money. They trade money for time. Billionaires buy back time by hiring people smarter than them in specific areas, so they can focus on vision. Here's a harsh truth. If you're doing everything yourself, you're not building wealth. You're building burnout. Billionaires don't think short-term. They don't care if it takes 10 years, as long as it pays off for 50. While you're worrying about this week's rent, they're planning how to own the entire neighborhood 20 years from now. Their secret weapon? Delayed gratification. They know that what you plant today becomes an empire tomorrow.